Our undergraduate international hotel management degree taught at our Marylebone campus will equip you with the skills, knowledge, and values to become a pioneering leader in the global hospitality industry. Studying in the heart of London, one of the world's top hospitality hub, you will use the city as your classroom while exploring the dynamic world of international hospitality. The course blends academic study with hands-on experience covering sustainable operations in food, beverage and accommodation, leadership across cultures, and ethical decision-making. You'll work on live client briefs and gain practical skills through optional paid part-time placements with our partner hotel, Marriott. There's also the option to take 1-year placement or study abroad between your second and third year to gain valuable experience. You will also benefit from the access to Zone 29, the university's home of careers and enterprise. This degree will prepare you for roles such as hotel managers, front office supervisors, guest experience supervisor, and marketing executive.